Behind us, west, top of the hill.
Blue's just here.
This is a fight incoming.
Yeah, there's those on the ridge, up behind the house.
Yeah, I saw that.
Orange leaf tree. I saw him poking.
Just looking at it with the SK.
I got fucked up on someone else coming in behind.
We want to stay in this valley with our 2 cars. It's fucking...
Another vehicle coming.
It's
Oh
good
no,
pick.
So
flames.
they are on the top of the ridge now,
On the tree or to the right of it?
to the right of it. I just seen them. There they are, there they are.
Headshot.
Knocked, one.
On the roof of the building in the middle. With the, you can get on the roof.
Yeah, the back building.
He's the third viewing by now.
One on the ridge. I've just hit the car, which is a great shot, Josh. Another one on the ridge.
Hit him twice.
Fuck, he would be so low. Another one on the ridge. Hit.
This is a good dip, but I'm really worried about our back.
Just keep sweeping it.
Oh, you're getting shot. Yeah, don't poke. We can't really cover from that angle.
They got to push to us.
I gotta push to us.
Whoa.
Hit him again.
Shit.
Vehicle coming.
Straight for it. Knocked
Another
one
one
from
on the-
falling.
Another one on the ridge. God, he's hurt.
Pushing back.
Why can't I hit that guy crawling?
I knocked one from he
Yeah,
fell out.
he's crawling 60, that tree up there. Gotta watch out we don't get flanked here now.
There was plenty
Yeah.
in that car too.
Can't get out of this line of sight from this cunt.
Oh, on the roof.
There he is. Nah, we're getting shot from behind, fellas.
Yeah, you can get behind the cars. Or...
Nah, not gonna make
Which
Nice.
it.
direction?
He's getting shot from northeast.
Shit.
We're in the next zone.
It's true, but Oz is dead.
It's all good.
Anyone that was from those houses had to push Josh too. Ready for a fight?
Alright.
One's pushing.
From where? From
Out
where?
the front. 300. Behind that tree.
Perfect. Oh,
Knocked him. Behind. That guy that I knocked's gonna die from zone, I think.
I'm still watching the houses.
There's
Trying-
still another one pushing. He's more west.
Good stuff.
Another one west. 255 now. Outside.
smoking
On the
to your
right.
left there, Bis.
Is there?
Yeah, straight ahead there.
There.
Yeah, there's
Any,
smoke.
are there any more there,
One at the
Nick?
tree, yeah, one at the tree at 60.
Roger. Come on, pokey bastard.
Hit one I know.
The one, there's still one behind the tree.
Whose nades are those?
Mine.
Not mine.
Is there someone there you're nading or?
No, I was just. I thought I saw someone behind there, but mustn't have.
I got tagged.
I think that's from one. Side.
Yeah. Knocked.
Yeah, that's not. Oh shit, that hurt.
Dead.
Hey, I'm healing.
Another one at this tree.
Pushing up.
I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm
Nice, Nick.
You get that one behind the tree? Knocked him behind the rock. My kill got. Did you kill the one that I knocked? Yeah. No.
20 seconds till zone.
9 remaining.
We're just out of it. That's from back 675.
Yeah, get in the ditch. Healing.
You look clear there, Biscuit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sketchy of that.
Trying to see if I can see where this guy's coming from.
Zone's pushing.
4 seconds, pushing. This guy that was got to push.
Alright, we've got a good ridge here.
Alright, I'm pushing. Just be careful, we got cunts to it behind. Tries 30.
I think we got this back ridge to ourselves.
Fucking hope so, this is a top ridge.
One died outside the play zone, maybe that was a cunt.
Terrible fucking push.
Follow the blue, sort of.
Yeah, we can probably run along with Blue Edge here.
Those houses in it still, Oz? Can you check?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are just on.
Even the
They've
next
got
zone?
they've sort of got a slight blind spot.
Yeah, they do now.
There's someone down below, just ahead here.
Yep. Now they can see you. Is he on the wall? Oh no, he's down the middle.
Snaking.
I'm pushing.
Someone spotted me, but careful, there's no other cover here.
Got in this
Yeah.
tree.
Don't see where that guy is.
There he is,
There he is.
right.
That was me, touch me.
Being hit.
I'm pushing.
Yeah, I'm running with you, I don't have time to heal.
I'm using that tree as cover. I'm gonna try and get on the fence here.
6 left.
I gotta heal up.
This guy's on the other.
Did you floor him?
Yep,
Nice.
dead. There's still another one inside, I think, like southeast. On the other side of the wall. Oh, I got knocked by a grenade.
There's one long.
I need it.
Oh, oh. Oh, he was behind us. What a fucking dog.
You walk right into them. It's gonna cost us.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
That's healing.
Still one inside, I heard then. 2v2, boys.
Hold up, Nick, I'm healing.
Yeah, I know, I've got the front fence covered.
Okay, cool. Fuck, that bike is annoying.
There. See that
Come
guy?
around the front. Nice.
Knock,
One more. Another one coming now.
Yes, boys. GG's.